Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for February 3rd going into the 4th. Going to start off with the S&P 500. Been bullish overall from 3502. We've rallied 3,541 into the bull trend. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff up in here. This morning, with a trade back above 69.09, brought in 118.25 of strength, and then the trade above 69.28 and a half brought in 98.75 of strength. Then I said to get short below 69.91 and a quarter right here, started to drop. And to get short on a decent penetration below 69.52.11. That was this one right here. And then 69.37.11. And then we dumped down here to hold this formation right here at 68.85.14 with a 68.86.25 low that it crept up by then and bounced a bit here. Decent trade below that formation is going to project this downward. 140 minimum, 300 plus maximum. That's going to come in at 68.87.59 plus 30 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Decent penetration in there is going to be 47.5 overnight. Okay, on to gold. Left to maintain gap higher on the day. Maintain gap lower tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. I'm not going to get into all the higher time frame stuff today. We held exhaustion at 56.19.20 with the 56.26.80 high and rolled over 2,103.6. A couple other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. Then the break back above 45.20.10 warned of strength. And we rallied from there up to 50.18.10. That was the break back above this line. We also broke above the steep line. And then we also took out this formation finally. I said the break back above where it came in at 47.97.20 now warrants a decent strength. We fell back down below that line decently. That'll warrant a decent pressure again. That's going to commit at 48.09.60. As of 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, the Bitcoin rolled over a bit more. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade below 124.228 warned of pressure. We'd seen 49,443 of that coming into today, plus another 1,700 on the downside. A lot of other bearish calls in here. I said the trade below 97,925 projects this downward 27,000 plus. We detained 23,140 of that coming into today, plus another 1,700. So we're getting closer to that fulfillment, although it does have a plus at the end of it, so we could see far more. Then I said the trade below 95,155 warned of pressure for days and a possible run for 85 minus. And we've traded down to 73,085. Number of other bearish calls in here. We took out this exhaustion at 76,040. And the last one down here is just below. So I'll be keeping an eye on that if this rolls over to the downside. this level of short covering off the low may bring some carry through overnight. A maintain gap higher tomorrow would leave a minor bullish reversal below, and that'll be more effective once/if we take out 82,630 in the process. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.